Good day everyone, Freddie of Knoll DC Skoda here. Today we've got this beautiful Volkswagen multivan. It's an all-rounder, so in the week you can use her for making money, driving around, use it as a van, and on the weekends there's plenty of space for the whole family and for the kids at the back. It's got climate control, it's got lane side assist, it's a plug-in hybrid, so it's very fuel efficient. 218 horsepower for only 49,950 euro. So if you want to view this baby or any other vehicle that we've got in stock, just hop onto our site at knolldc.com or call us on 021 439 5024.